po tayong lumanding. Nandito na po tayo sa Davao City. Ayan.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Davao International Airport. For safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as several items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matagal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipaalam sa inyo na paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Leonel Magbayo and First Officer Paulo Lopez, together with your cabin crew, thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was a pleasure to have you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Also for our guests with info stuff that shall be collected after this embarkation. For safety reasons, leave the life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Please be advised that Davao City is implementing an anti-smoking ordinance. It is unlawful for any person to smoke in public areas. Let us help keep Davao City a smoke-free zone. Thank you.